my name is Nisha and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to tell about exponential functions, how to graph. So here is the definition. Exponential functions. The exponential function with base a is defined for all real numbers x by fx is equal to a to the power x, where a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Here graphs of exponential functions. The exponential function fx is equal to a to the power x, where a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, has domain R, means you can put all values, all real numbers, and range 0 to infinity, all positive numbers. So the line y is equal to 0, the x-axis is a horizontal asymptote of f. The graph of f has one of the following shapes. So fx is equal to a to the power x for if a greater than 1, so graph looks like this. And if a value between 0 to 1, so graph looks like this. Here is today's question, identifying graphs of exponential functions. So find the exponential functions fx is equal to a to the power x whose graph is given. Here two questions. For first question, here f x is equal to a to the power x value here 2. Okay, this is 2, a to the power 2, and here given y value, f2 value is 25, so a square, so a value is 5, so we can say that fx is equal to a value 5, so 5 to the power x. This is the equation for this exponential function. Okay, now b question. Here fx is equal to a to the power x, and here given x value 3 according to this, so f3 is equal to a to the power 3, and f3 is given 1 upon 8, so a to the power 3. Here 1 upon 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, so a to the power 3 here. Can write 1 upon 2 to the power 3 is equal to a to the power 3. So a value 1 upon 2 is equal to a. So our function is f x is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power x. Okay, this is our answer. So very simple question. You can easily find out from the graph exponential function equation in this form. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.